5 years ago, Barry McCockania, which I think is a fictional name, posted this video of a pin being removed from his cheek. But the question is, what is it? Now, we've seen plenty of people with nails in their head. Many have survived. But could it be a nail? Or is it something much more complex? Now, do you notice how the doctor is turning this while he removes it? So it's more likely a pin that's been screwed in after surgery, and it's not a nail at all. You can see how the removal motion is pretty similar. If I had to guess, the individual had a shattered jaw and the wire was used in the healing process. Much like this shattered hand has a wire being removed. So go ahead and comment below. Is this a nail? Or is it a piece of surgical steel? Leave your comments. We'd love to hear from you. Go ahead and subscribe for new medical videos every week. We have something interesting to discuss. All sorts of pops, nails, and dermatology related items.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.